Wikiprocedure.com welcomes you for another session on how to pay property tax in Sikkim. The link provided below here will help you in reaching our site wikiprocedure.com as well as the page Sikkim Pay Property Tax. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to us for creating more videos. Here in this page we have given detailed procedure along with instructions and information which are very much useful for completing the procedure. Also, you can see few links for external websites and forms which are going to be crucial in completing this procedure. The importance of these links will be known to you in the due course of our presentation. Also, Wiki Procedure has provided you a select language tab on the top right corner of our page to select the language of your choice from the drop down menu with many languages, so that you will understand this procedure easily. List of items covered in this session today: need to pay property tax, documents required, how to apply, eligibility, validity, fees, processing time, offices and contacts, online resources and other information. Today this procedure is sponsored by wikiprocedure.com for you. Let us see the need to pay property tax. Property tax or house tax is a local tax imposed on the property owner by the local governing authority for a state. The vacant land is generally exempt from property tax payment. Central government properties are exempt too. Still, they have to pay a service charge as decided. Properties of foreign mission also enjoy tax exemption. This tax exemption is applicable for selected citizens as well as organizations including educational institutions, charitable institutions, ex-serviceman, in-serviceman, retired pensioners association, NGO homes, teachers association building as applicable for the exempt. Property tax clearance is required for most of other services like water connection, sanitary connection, electricity connections, etc. With the no due certificate, you can apply for this with the local authorities for getting the connections. Let us see the documents required. You will require the assessment number or the house number. It is a unique number for the said property, owner name, address of the property and Aadhaar card. Once you have this document, let us see how to pay. Before that, in the state of Sikkim, municipal corporation is collecting the property tax. The municipality maintains the municipal assessment book for making the entries of the annual value of any land or building. It's a record which keeps updating for every year based on any new inclusions. The chief municipal officer and the municipal valuation committee determines the annual value of lands and buildings to assess the property tax. So there is a book with which they will assess these details. Let us see how to go and pay in person. Applicant can make property tax payment in respect to municipal office computerized counters against the assessment they have received. These assessments are handed over to them by the local authority executives or clerks. In order to go to the local municipal office, we have provided the contact link which will be useful in getting the contact details. Use this link so that you will reach a page where you will get the contact information details of the respective municipality. Call them and identify the location so that you can go directly to pay the property tax. Please submit the assessment details and require documents to the authorities. Authorities will verify the details and accept the payment. The payment can be made in cash, DD or checks as advised and should be paid through the respective challan which is provided for the same. After remitting the fee, the applicant receives a receipt from the authorities for the payment they have made. This receipt can be used as a proof for the property tax paid. Eligibility: you should be an Indian citizen and the age of 18 years and plus, should own a property in your name in Sikkim. Validity: the property tax paid is valid for a year and it should be renewed annually. In some certain part of India, it is collected 6 months once too. Fees: the property tax amount is calculated based on the residential area, so it varies from one property to another and one place to another. Property tax for a building is usually calculated based on the basement area, the rate prevalent in the street where the property is located, meaning the benchmarked amount. Usage of the building, whether it is residential or commercial, type of occupancy, owned or rented, total span of the building's existence, how old is it, or the basic parameters to access the property tax assessment. In Sikkim, they use that record for the property tax assessment, which is the kind of index for them to identify and assess the property. Processing time, payment of tax will be completed as and when it is paid to the respective department. Offices and contact, Gangtok Municipal Corporation, Gangtok, Sikkim, India. Phone, fax and email are provided here for your clarifications of doubts. And also there are few links which are available in our portal for different set of place like Gelshing, Mangan, Namchi. So all these are the direct link for the respective addresses. So use them effectively to save your valuable time. Also the online resources will give direct link or reach to these websites which you use so far to complete them. And we have provided these websites as link at appropriate places to save your valuable time. Other information, all residential and commercial properties are assessed for tax. The information about all the new construction, meaning if you own a building of 1000 square feet and you are adding another 200 square feet of building to it, the addition of 200 square feet building has to be intimated to the assessment department so that will be included in the next assessment. There will be a strict against those who those are defaulters. It is advisable to pay the tax on time to avoid such situations. Hope this video helped you, and don't forget to give us a like. Subscribe to us for creating more videos. Thank you once again for visiting wikiprocedure.com to know how to pay property tax in Sikkim.